Hey everybody, Boris, Schlossberg, BKTraderFx. Time for our weekly commentary on the week's trading in the FX market. And the theme this week is going to be good versus great. Many of us have had that great trade where we hit it right from the minute go. It goes in our direction. We make money almost without even looking at the trade. Unfortunately, those trades, I think, are more deceptive than they're helpful because on a day-to-day basis, it's far more important to be good rather than great. And what I mean by that is it's far more important to be able to deal with the hand that the market gives you rather than ride that 1 out of 10, 1 out of 20 perfect trades where the market just gives you everything without ever making anything challenging. Challenge and dealing with it is the day-to-day job of what we do as traders. And this week really, I think, exemplified that in the couple of trades that we put on. First, I want to talk about the euro-pound trade that we put on at the beginning of the week. This was done actually on Monday. Monday was a holiday in the United States. We had George Washington's birthday. Kathy and I were at the New York Traders Expo all day long. So we actually didn't even lay this trade on until later than our usual time, around 7 o'clock. We came in and bought euro-pound on a very simple assumption. We thought euro was really going to strengthen for the week. And the Northern Rock story at the beginning of the week was really weighing on the pound. And we thought it had more legs to go, meaning that the whole situation with Northern Rock being nationalized was a black eye to the UK financial sector. And we thought that once people came back, especially the North America session came back into play on Tuesday, pound was going to come under serious assault. And we entered the trade here around 75.10. And as you can see, the trade actually was just a very, very smooth ride up. As usual, when we reached T1, we took profits like around 75, I believe it was 28 or so in the money. And then trailed the trade as it went further in our way. What I did is basically, as the trade was moving our way throughout the European session, I went from first being to break even, then to about plus 20, then to about plus 30 on the position. And then when North America came into session and we were watching the price action, and Kathy was watching this very carefully, we realized that it sort of started to stall around this level. And instead of letting the price retrace on us, she decided to just take the money and bank it. We made 68 points on euro pound, which is equivalent to about 124 points on regular pips, because the pound pips are twice as big as regular pips. So it was a great trade, very smooth, but managed continuously throughout the night to make sure that not only did you make profit, but you locked in profits as the trade moved your way. Now, the next trade we traded was the day after that in euro-yen. Let me just pull this up for you. Let me just make sure I'm on the right page. Yeah, this was, so 219, we basically get long euro-yen into the move. And euro-yen was a similar story. What we were seeing all throughout the day was that carry was coming back. Actually, risk appetite was starting to come back. Equity markets were becoming strong. Euro-yen was looking very positive on the day. We had a big move in the Dow. We thought we were going to have a follow-through in the Nikkei. So we got long euro-yen at the end of the U.S. session. And again, started to move our way. We took T1 profit relatively quickly. And then Kathy moved her stop from break-even to bank a little more profit and got retraced almost right away. So we walked away with a 48-point profit. And those of you looking at the trade could have said, well, we could have gone to 159. It went as high as 159.20. Very easy to do that in retrospect, to say I could have milked more money from the trade. But here's the interesting thing. Think about it the other way. Here's what happened in the alternative scenario as the session unwound. Euro-yen came all the way back down as news about the KKR blow up. KKR was unable to roll over their commercial paper. And all of it just basically caught you completely in a bind. And remember, this is the key thing about the market. The market is never stationary. It's always going to throw news, unexpected news, in your way. And you're constantly managing against that unexpected news that could blow up your trade at any given moment. So therefore, once you're in profit, you never, ever give it back. And even if you didn't make the full profit, the fact that we were able to bank 48 points before the whole trade completely fizzled out at the end of the session is a testament to great defensive trading and testament to being good, not great. I wish you the best of luck. Next week, more trades, more ideas. We hope to see you at BKT. Boris Schlossberg for BKT, over and out.